Yo, what's up guys? I'm Jeff the Carnoob and you're watching Disney Channel. Alright, so one of the things that I am really grateful for learning early on is how to change a tire in case of a blowout or, a flat tire. Over the past few years, I can't tell you how many times that I've had tire issues with the FRS. I've also had to rescue a lot of friends and family because they just didn't know how to put on a spare. So I made a poll on Instagram quite a while back asking, do you know how to change a tire? Yes or no? I was actually surprised to find that it was evenly split, like pretty much almost 50-50. Now, I want to clarify that knowing how to change a tire is a very important skill that everybody should know. But the thing is, I don't want you to feel bad if you don't, because the important thing here is you're trying to learn. That's why you're watching this video, right? So, first things first, since you're going to be lifting up the car, you want to make sure that you're on flat and even ground. Next, you're going to need to take out everything from the trunk. Alright, so 9 times out of 10, everything that you're going to be needing is going to be in your trunk. So if you're planning on going on a road trip or have a feeling that you might have a blowout or something where you need your spare tire, try not to have 200-pound subs or something that you can't easily take out of your trunk yourself, You know what, you guys get it. You got it. So the main things that you're looking for are your spare tire, scissor jack, or whatever comes with your car. So my wheels came with a lock, so I have a key for that. If you're feeling extra, a torque wrench, and a jack stand maybe if you have one, and something to take your lug nuts off. Okay, so can we just appreciate how dope this spare wheel is? Holy crap, I'm used to just Steelays or whatever. Well, this is powder coated and what the hell, Alexis? So a lot of people make this mistake, and even I did a few times before, and that is to start jacking up the car without loosening up your lug nuts first. So depending on which wheel it is, if you try to take the lug nuts off while it's in the air, the wheel will probably just start spinning and it's really just a hassle. So what you want to do is loosen the lugs first while it's on the ground, then jack up the car. Now every car is going to be different, but generally if you're using the scissor jack that usually comes with the car, you're going to look for this pinch weld right by the tire and use that as your jacking point. So I usually try to jack up the car until the tire is a few inches off the ground with plenty of clearance for the new wheel to put on. Next, you can take off all the lug nuts and remove the damaged wheel and replace it with your spare. Hand tighten the lug nuts the best that you can, and now you can lower the car completely. When tightening your lug nuts, if you have 5, you always want to go in a star pattern. Otherwise, you can end up with a loose lug nut or warped rotors or something even worse. Now, you don't want to over tighten the lug nuts. That can lead to possibly stripping the threads, warping the rotors, or just ripping off the stud. That's why I have a torque wrench here. Basically, it lets me set the desired torque that I want. When I reach it, it'll make a click sound to let me know that I'm good. No more. This one that I have is fairly cheap. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. Generally, you don't want to drive more than 70 miles on a spare tire and no faster than 50 miles per hour. And that's usually good enough to get you somewhere where you can get a replacement or patch up your tire or get some help. Alright, so just a quick review. 1. Find flat, even land. 2. Break loose the lug nuts. 3. Jack up the car. 4. Remove lug nuts and the old wheel. 5. Put on spare, hand tighten the lug nuts. 6. Lower the car all the way. And 7. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern. And with that, you should be all set. I hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to leave a like, possibly share this with a friend, and hey, maybe even consider subscribing if you haven't already. You can find links to all the stuff that I use in the video down in the description, along with links to my social media. I'm Jeff the Carnoob, and as always, thanks for watching.